Hello sir, my name is Neysza Yauri. Now I will explain a material about Hess Law.
So now we will talking about what is Hess Law. So the Hess Law says the amount of heat released in a chemical reaction does not depend on the course of the reaction, but is determined by the initial and final state. So Hess Law of constant heat summation, also known simply as Hess Law, is a relationship in physical chemistry named after Germain Hess, a Swiss-born Russian chemist and physician who published it in 1814. The law states that the total enthalpy change during the complete course of a chemical reaction is independent of the sequence of steps taken. So now we will discuss some formula of Hess law. So we will see the diagram. So let's say substance A forms substance C with one reaction. But however, it is possible that two reactions can occur, where substance A reacts to produce substance B and substance B reacts to produce substance C. And we have a formula like this, which delta H1 equals delta H2 plus delta H3. Okay, next we will discuss about the second diagram. So the concept of this diagram is more or less the same as the previous diagram, where substance A can form substance 2 with one reaction. And however, it is possible that two reactions can occur where the substance A can reacts to produce substance B and the substance B reacts to produce the substance C. So yeah, we have a formula like this, which same as previous. Delta H1 equals delta H2 plus delta H3. Okay, this is the last diagram we have to discuss. So where to get to substance D? There are two ways. So the first with the reaction of substance A, which produce substance C, and the reaction of substance C, which produce the substance D. And the second is the reaction of substance A, which produce the substance B, and the reaction of substance B, which produce the substance D. And we have a formula like this: delta H1 plus delta H2 equals delta H3 plus delta H4. So next we will discuss about the example of Hess law. So we have a question like this and the answer. So yeah, first thing we have to do is we will rotate the third reaction like this, and the value of delta H will change from positive to negative. And yeah, the second things we have to do is for the first reaction we multiply by 2, and yeah, this is the result. And the last thing we have to do is we put the second reaction like this. And currently there are several similarities between these three reactions, so we will cross out of the same substance. So yeah, this is same with this, and this same with this. So after that we add up all the reaction like this, and yeah, we have the result of delta H equals minus 1217.6 kilojoule